Alright. What's up, guys? It's your boy, Official Anarchy, with take number 3. I'm trying to do this Sunday video. It is now Wednesday. The first time I tried to do it, my camera died. And the second time I tried to do this video, my storage was full. So I made sure I cleared my storage, had a full battery, and your boy's on take 3. Let's go. Well, sorry I missed you there on Sunday, but I know you guys love seeing my videos, but I get to. So try to do this again, but I believe I might have mentioned before that I have, I know I mentioned before that I have 2 kids. My oldest is my son, Lucas. My youngest is my daughter, Levy. And we have another on the way. And just the other week, we got to find out the gender. The boy's having another boy. Yeah. And I think we're set on a name. I believe we're gonna call him Lincoln Miles. Lincoln's his first name, Miles is his middle name, because you know that's how names work. I hope this music's not too loud, bro. Yeah, we kind of like the name Lincoln, and we're gonna nickname him Link, so that way I could be like, Link, listen, Link, listen, Link. Oop, that's neutral. And I also like the name Miles. It's kind of like to keep like the little thing going, because my son's initials are LR technically, and then my daughter's is LMR as well. So to keep it going, LMR as well. Yeah. Not much new other than that. Actually, just yesterday, I got a new personal record on the 3x3 Rubik's Cube. 1 minute and 8 seconds. Yeah! I actually got a OLL skip on that one, so that was pretty cool. And then basically, if you know, I don't know, wasn't it typically, yeah, I think so. Basically, I got after finishing the F2L process, I was starting on my yellow cross, and after doing my yellow cross, it was actually complete, so that was the OLL process done already. So yeah, your boy got a new personal. I'm still like averaging like around like a minute and a half, but freaking that was awesome doing getting a 1 minute and 8 second. So that was amazing. And who's oh, I ordered a Guitar Hero guitar controller thing, because my brother showed me Clone Hero, so trying to get that to work, because I ordered it on eBay and wasn't the brightest idea, but I'm gonna figure it out. Like, it connects and everything, but it's not registering in Clone Hero as like the controller. It's like if it's a keyboard. So yeah, got that issue. And then also the red button doesn't seem to work, so I might have to try to take it apart and see if I can get it to work. That was $60 wasted. I could have just spent the flipping 90 and got a good one that was actually gonna work, but I didn't want to spend that much. That's what I get for being cheap. Oh well. Anyways, actually I ordered, and also ordered, oh dang, they had to push their car out of the way. I ordered the screw for my headlight because the screw adjustment bolt was gone. It wasn't there since when I bought it. It didn't have it there, so I ordered that, and the lock washer that was supposed to go with it. And I got the adjustment bolt on Sunday, but they shipped the bolt. They didn't ship the bolt and the washer together. So that got here that lock washer got here today, which was infuriating because I wanted to put it in, but they didn't have it. I didn't want to put the bolt in there and it just like unscrewed it. So I think my kids start school in like 2 to 3 weeks. I know my daughter's excited because it'll be her first day of school. Well, technically like her second time, because she went to like pre-K for maybe a month or so. It was probably like 3 months, but then like we had an issue with the teacher and we just took her out of there. She's been excited to go. She's been wanting, like when we used to take her to pre-K, she'd always cry like, oh, I don't want to go to this school. I want to go to primary school. Cause she doesn't really call her brother by name. She calls him brother, which is cool. And yeah, she'd always cry like, oh, I don't want to go to this school. I want to go to primary schools. When we have to eat. And the time's finally come. And I know she's excited. She's got her notebooks and her pencil and her pencil holder and whatnot. So she's excited for that. I know my son's probably excited to see his friends again. I mean, like, they'll see each other over the summer a few times, but he'll be happy to see them over there, yeah. And they still talk on like, the iPads and stuff and play the game together. So what else? Ran a D&D workshop for my coworkers and buddies since I joined this campaign, but there was one guy that was able to be able to make it, and my coworker always tells me he's like the forever DM, so since there was somebody missing, I was like, alright, well, I enjoy DMing too, so if you want a break, I can give you a break. It went pretty well, if I do say so myself. They got to fight a bad dragon, a bed that was transformed, that polymorphed into a dragon, a gibbering mouther, actually 2 of them, and some polymorph guards, whatnot. They got to do some tomfoolery, which I know they enjoyed. One dude the living crap out of people with a frying pan, and that was fun. Yeah. What else? I think that's really it. Well, I think it's that time for me to say goodbyes. So, bye guys. Thanks for watching. I love you. I'll give you guys a heart in a second. See if I can do it right here. You true. Bye. Thank you.